turn right. Then the destination is on your left.
It's on somewhere. Where you at?
At the next light,
of course.
turn right.
Of course, I'm lost already. What is up, everybody? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. We got a bit lost. We just passed this place right up, so not hard to find, but we are at Scat Crankshafts. My crank is down. We're gonna go get it, see if we can walk around, kind of show you guys some stuff. Typically people don't like to be on camera, so I'm gonna try to cover as much stuff as I can. Might just play some music, walk around, whatever. If there's somebody to talk to, we will. If not, I'll just give you guys a look at the stuff, a look at the crank, and then unlocked and loaded. We got our bullet here. This is going to the machine shop to get a 4-inch stroker crank, scat rods, and some molly pistons. So we're gonna have all the sponsors on board. I can't wait. This thing's gonna be a beast. Let's get in there. All right, we are fresh out of Scat Crankshafts. Big shout out, thank you to Danny for the tour of the building. I just filmed some stuff, and again, most people don't like cameras shoved in their face. Let's be honest. I got to take the tour. I got to talk and ask questions and things, but for the most part, I figured I'd just kind of show you guys some of the machines and things that they have there. I didn't want to waste everybody's day asking exactly what every piece of machinery did. But they have a lot of pieces of equipment. They're finishing a lot of different cranks. There's some from little teeny tiny cranks all the way up to some friggin', I think those were tractor pull cranks, those big dogs. And I didn't even count how many cylinders those things were, but big old inline diesels. And it's very cool. So use the code Burndown, call in, get yourself a smoking deal on some Scat products. We're gonna run over real quick now. We're gonna battle some traffic. We'll see if we can't get to the machine shop to get all these parts dropped off and to get this thing rolling. I'm pretty excited. Still haven't spec'd a cam, but I'll go over that with my buddy Ryan and we will figure out how to make this thing breathe. But I'm excited. We're gonna have a pretty awesome motor. So big shout out and thank you to Scat. We got Scat rods and we've got a Scat crankshaft. Maybe we'll open it at the machine shop and kind of give you guys a shot of what it looks like. But let me get on the road, concentrate on driving, and then we'll bring you back at the machine shop. Freaking baddest street art ever. Look at this one. I'll show you one more. Look at that. I'm gonna bring the Bago down here and do a photo shoot with it, but fantastic news. All the parts we dropped off are rock and roll. We are gonna be good to go. It is the holiday season, and fortunately for me, people don't like to pay their bills during the holidays. So I have a feeling that we'll be able to get my motor back fairly quickly. So big shout out and thank you to Scat, to Molly. You guys need to use the discount codes provided. Call in, do your due diligence, get some sweet deals. But yeah, everything is rock and roll. So I'm gonna show you one more piece of street art because this is phenomenal. Look at this. That is freaking rad. Okay, I gotta get back home and battle traffic. I gotta drive properly, but everything is rock and roll, good to go. So we're gonna have a 4-inch stroke crank, 5-over molly pistons, power pack pistons in our 6.2. So we're gonna have a 400 cubic inch 415. And we got a big turbo to push some air into that, and we are gonna be awesome. And then on a side note, for those of you guys that follow the channel a bunch and aren't just here to see Scat stuff, the aluminum block that we picked up for $100 is good to go. So how about that? So we got an aluminum 6-liter block that's going in a 75 Pacer. Can life get any better? You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. Till next time, I'm out.